Persian Gulf. If we look at the world map, it is located here in Asia. The Persian Gulf is defined as the shallow marginal sea of the Indian Ocean. If we take a closer look, it somewhat looks like this. The Persian Gulf is connected to the Indian Ocean through the Strait of Hormuz. It lies between Arabian Peninsula to the southwest and Iran to the northeast. Countries bordering the Persian Gulf are Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Oman, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, Iran. So, these are the 8 countries which border the Persian Gulf. These 8 countries are also members of the United Nations. Some important facts about the history of the Persian Gulf. Earliest evidence of human presence on Persian Gulf islands dates back to Middle Paleolithic and consists of stone tools discovered at Qeshm Island. The world's oldest known civilization, known as the Sumer or the Sumerian civilization, developed along the Persian Gulf and southern Mesopotamia. Arabs, Persians, Turks, the Portuguese, and later the British fought to get control over the sea. For 8 decades prior to 1970, this body of water was a closely guarded British lake, administered in good measures by imperial civil servants from India. After the end of the British era, regional players entered with intra-regional rivalries and forced cooperation. Trade between Mesopotamia and India was facilitated by the small size of the Persian Gulf. Water provided the easiest way to transport goods, and sailors crossed the Gulf by moving out along the coasts of Persia and India until they reached the mouth of the Indus. We all know that the Persian Gulf and its coastal areas are the world's largest single source of petroleum and natural gas reserves. Why is the Persian Gulf region so rich in oil? Throughout Paleozoic and Mesozoic times, the Middle East was a locus of sedimentation over a long and wide shelf affected, from time to time, by sea level changes. As Gondwana consolidated at the turn of the Cambrian, microorganisms and marine species also rapidly evolved and diversified, thus enriching marine sediments with organic carbon necessary for hydrocarbon generation. For petroleum to be successfully generated, migrated, accumulated, and preserved, all elements and processes of the petroleum system, including organically rich and thermally matured source rocks, porous permeable reservoir rocks, effective extensive cap rocks, and appropriate time relations between oil migration and trap formation should be present. Obviously, the Middle East qualifies all these conditions to a high degree and quality. Discovery of oil. Before oil was discovered in the Gulf in 1908, people made their living from fishing, pearl diving, trade, and piracy. Oil production in the Persian Gulf on industrial scale began only in the 1930s. Today, the Arab states of the Persian Gulf provide approximately 20% of the world oil production. The Persian Gulf region has the presence of the major producers of crude oil and natural gas, and thereby contributing critically to the global economy. The area has approximately 2/3 of the world's estimated proven oil reserves and 1/3 of the world's estimated proven natural gas reserves. Exports. The Persian Gulf exports approximately 18.2 million barrels of oil per day. Approximately 17 million barrels per day transit through the Strait of Hormuz in tankers. Additionally, over 3.5 billion cubic feet of natural gas, approximately 18% of world shipments, travel through the strait via LNG tankers. A considerable amount of sea trade passes through the Gulf, leading to heavy traffic in the region. There remains an incessant traffic of large tankers that carry oil from the large marine terminals situated in Iran, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, United Arab Emirates, and other locations to all parts of the world. There are few alternate routes for exporting Persian Gulf oil and gas, making the Strait of Hormuz an important choke point. Roughly 21 million barrels of the world's sea-traded oil passes through the strait every day, headed primarily to Asian markets like India, China, Japan, Singapore, and South Korea. Persian Gulf oil is shipped East Africa, east of Asia, primarily to Japan, China, and India, and west to Western Europe and the United States. Major ports in the Persian Gulf. Saudi Arabia, King Abdulaziz's seaport of Dammam. It is the largest port of the Persian Gulf. Iraq, the port of Basra and the offshore Al Basra oil terminal. Oman, port of Salalah. UAE, Jebel Ali, is the largest human-made harbour and the busiest port in the Middle East. Qatar, Hamad Port. Kuwait, Shuwaik Port. Bahrain, Mina Salman Port. Oceanography. The Persian Gulf has many fishing grounds, extensive reefs, mostly rocky and also coral, and abundant pearl oysters, but its ecology had been damaged by industrialization and oil spills. Islands. The Persian Gulf is home to many islands. Geographically, the biggest island in the Persian Gulf is Qeshm Island, belonging to Iran and located in the Strait of Hormuz. In recent years, there has also been the addition of artificial islands for tourist attractions, such as the Pearl Qatar Island, Doha, the Palm Islands, Dubai, the World Islands, Dubai, also known as the Arabian Gulf. The Persian Gulf is also known as the Arabian Gulf, and there's a lot of debate on this topic, and they call it the naming dispute. The reason behind this is available on the internet in abundance, and I am not discussing in this video.